Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech-BKS. In this video I am going to tell you how to install Windows 11 or Windows 10 into the new laptop or in the old laptop using a pen drive. Okay, so let's start a video. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, I request you to please subscribe and watch this video till end so you will come to know how to install Windows 11 or Windows 10 into your newly purchased laptop, or if you have your old laptop which is not working fine, Windows is hanging, or there is some problem with your old Windows you want to install new, how to install it through the pen drive. Let's start. So there is a minimum requirement to install the window. First you should have a window installation file, your window installation software means you should have Windows 10 or Windows 11 OS operating system. Normally Windows 10 and 11 is called operating system. So you should have an installation file of Windows 10 or either Windows 10 or Windows 11. The second requirement is the USB software which help you to make your pen drive bootable. And in this video I am going to use Rufus software to make pen drive bootable. Okay. The third requirement is pen drive. As I told, we will make a bootable pen drive to install the OS into OS yani operating system into your laptop. So pen drive minimum 8 GB because the ISO file for Windows 10 or 11 it's nearby 3 to 6 GB. So you should have the pen drive where the capacity should be 8 GB. It should not less than 8 GB. So remember. So first I am going to download Windows installation software, that is Windows 11. So downloading Windows 11, what I will have to do, I will go to the browser and search Windows 11 download. And I will click this file, download Windows 11. Here it will open like this. You can scroll down and you will come to know here download Windows 11 disk image ISO file for 64-bit device. As of now all the laptops are coming 64-bit. So here you have to select download Windows 11 multi-edition ISO file and then click download now. After clicking download now you have to choose the language, select the language English United States, and if you are belonging to some other country and you want to download the Windows version on your own language, you can select accordingly. Then click on confirm. After confirming you will see download option 64-bit download. I already downloaded this Windows 11 file. Okay, now the second requirement is to download Rufus. So I already searched Rufus in Google. Now it's showing here. Now after going into this portal you have to scroll down and you have to download this option Rufus 4.2 PSC portable. I also downloaded this software as well. Now I am going to install. You can see I have downloaded the 64-bit Windows 11 and Rufus. So I am going to install Rufus. Yes. Do you want to allow Rufus to check the application update online? Yes. Now it is being installed. So what the next step? And the next step is I have to connect my device, means pen drive. You can see here I have a local system drive C D E F. F is a CD drive. I need a pen drive to be connected. I'm going to connect my pen drive into my laptop, so it will appear here. Okay, let me connect it. Just now I am connected, so you can see here I can see one more device, NTFS H drive. So automatically the software taken my external drive. My external drive means pen drive is 16 GB. So first of all you have to select the drive, then you have to select the file, disk or ISO image. No bootable, MS DOS, free DOS. You should select disk or ISO image. Now after that, now I have to select the this Windows 11 ISO file. So I'm going to select that file from here. So I'm selecting this file. Okay, click open. Now the file has been selected. So what I have to do now, I have to select MBR from here. Volume level, you can change the name of volume level if you want. It will be just a display name type. Now other setting, you no need to change any other setting. You can click start. What it will do, it will format your pen drive and make it bootable with Windows 11 operating system. Okay, I am going to click on start. So after clicking on start, it's asking few questions. Remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. It is compulsory that if your system is not TPM 2.0 compatible, so you can remove it, or you can find a either your laptop is compatible for TPM 2.0 or not. If it is not compatible, or if it is compatible as well, you can remove it. There is no matter. Keep uncheck all the items. Just disable data collection, disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. So just select remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. So what it will do, while installation, it will not ask you for online Microsoft account like Hotmail or Outlook.com. Just you need a Windows 11 key, activation key, because right now I have downloaded the Windows 11 installation file only, but I don't have a license. To install the Windows, you need Windows key as well. Okay, Windows license key. Now I'm going to click OK. So what it will do, it will, what is saying, all data on your device multiple partition GH 16 GB will be destroyed. Means whatever, if you have made multiple partition into your pen drive, it will be disabled or deleted. All the data inside the pen drive deleted. So before making the USB drive bootable, backup has been taken from your USB drive to some other drive before performing these steps. So after clicking OK, all the files in my USB drive will be erased and it will make a bootable drive. I am clicking OK. Now you can see deleting partition, now creating file system. Now what it will do, it's creating my pen drive into a bootable ISO file operating system. Now pen drive is ready with Windows 11 installation file. Now you can install Windows 11 with the help of this pen drive. Now I'm going to check what has been installed that file. Okay, now you can see Windows 11H. It's a pen drive which I have used to make it bootable. Now inside it you can see this Windows file. Now the next step to install Windows 11 into the laptop. You can install Windows 11 laptop in any of the laptop using this pen drive. Okay, what you need to do, you have to plug in into the USB pen drive into the laptop in which you want to install the Windows 11 and restart the laptop. While restarting, you have to press F11 or F1. Some laptop take F1 command, some laptop take F11 command. So when you press 11 F11 or F1 while rebooting the laptop, it will ask for a bootable option. So there you have to select the pen drive to boot option. Once you select the pen drive as a boot option, then it will show you the Windows 11 installation file. It get started with the Windows 11 installation steps. Now after that you have to follow the installation steps for Windows 11 and you can install it into your system or you're in laptop. System is in your desktop or in your laptop. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Bye bye. We will meet you into the next video.